What's up, everybody? This is Eric, the tech preacher from AskEazyComputerSolutions. So a lot of people ask me this question, easy, what's your daily driver? It's 2020. Have you changed daily drivers? What is the device and why do you hold the device in your pocket for so long? What device do you love and why? So in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite phones, right? And the phones that I always keep with me, even if I'm reviewing other devices, these phones that I always keep with me at all times. Let me explain. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So my daily driver, my win-all be-all, my perfect devices, it's two of them. It's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the LG V60. And I'm gonna tell you why. Let's go ahead and talk about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Look, this phone is almost perfect for me. I mean, almost perfect for me. 855 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, SD card support. You got a beautiful display here. You got a beautiful design here. You got triple cameras on the back. You got the win-all be-all S Pen software. You got DeX. You got long battery life. You got a powerful device here. You got the perfect display. I mean, I could go on and on about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, I have reviewed the Galaxy S20 Plus and also the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And every time I pick up those devices, I always go back to my Galaxy Note. I mean, the Galaxy Note to me has been the win-all be-all regardless of everything. This phone could be the perfect phone. I mean, the perfect device, but it's missing two key elements to me, right? And it's, the cameras, and it's a headphone jack. Now, to me, the headphone jack is a very important element, and the reason why is because I got high-end master dynamic headphones. I got high-end headphones, and look, Bluetooth is okay, but when you plug it up to a high DAC headphone jack, it's like no other. So it's missing a key element, even with all the high-end specs, even as almost perfect as this device is, the headphone jack to me is critical. So not having a headphone jack is one of the things that Samsung has really dropped the ball on. But other than that, this is almost a perfect device. Now, when we talk about the cameras, look, compared to the LG V60 in manual mode, manual audio and everything in between, I'm leaning towards the LG V60 when it comes down to the cameras. The cameras on the LG V60 is a win-all be-all. No matter what, LG makes the best cameras in manual mode, case closed when it comes down to the cameras. But the Galaxy Note is no slouch when it comes down to the camera. The cameras are very good on this device. But if, even when I'm holding both of these devices, right, I could take a great photo and do great video on both devices, right? But I just prefer the LG V60 when it comes down to video and come down to still footage. But the Galaxy Note has been a fantastic phone. I mean, look, I really like the Galaxy Note, right? When it comes down to DeX and the DeX software, it is a win-all be-all for me. It's like no other. I don't know why other companies try to do styluses and try to do this and do that. But when it comes down to it, nothing beats the Note series, right? So I always keep this device in my pocket no matter what. This phone has been very great for me. But, boy, I tell you, LG have stepped up to the plate this year. I love what LG is doing. LG has been a fantastic overall, just knocking it out the park lately. And the LG V60, to me, has brought in a different dynamic. I got the dual display on here. And I'm going to tell you, the dual display, to me, has brought in some great functionality. Especially if I want to do some typing, I can have Word open here at the top screen, and I can have a full keyboard at the bottom. Oh my goodness, that's like no other. So I can prop it up and I could get a lot of work done, and I could type in. It's almost like a mini PC for me. Now, some of the good characteristics about the LG V60 is that it does have the A65 processor, has 8 gigs of RAM, you got 128 gigs of internal storage, you got SD card support, you got a quad DAC, you got the great camera array on here, you got long battery life, you got the dual display, you got dual speakers on here. Oh my God, I can go on and on about the LG V60. The quad DAC, the beautiful display on here. Oh man, so when it comes down to it, the LG V60 is a very good phone, and I really do appreciate how LG have stepped up to the plate and made the LG V60 what it is, right? Now, since we didn't know this, we found out by accident about the stylus support on the LG V60. I mean, LG should have kind of mentioned it to us, right? But yes, it does have pen support, which is fantastic. So it brings the LG V60 to a different dynamic, especially when you got stylus support and you have software to back it up. So that is even better that LG has put in stylus software in the LG V60, and it works great. Now, it's not as good as the Galaxy Note. Look, let's not make no mistake about it. The Galaxy Note series of devices has been primed, it's been polished over the years. So LG is stepping into the arena, and they took some of the LG Stylo software and brought it to this device. And I'm gonna tell you, it is a great addition to the LG device. Not only that, but the price point, right? LG have knocked it out the park with the price point on the LG V60. Compared to the retail price point on the Galaxy Note series of devices, the LG V60 brings in a totally different dynamic when it comes down to price versus product. So I am so happy that both of these devices bring in combined together, give me the perfect phone. Let's talk about the cameras on here. Now, I've made a complete video about manual mode with the LG V60. And I'm gonna tell you, when it comes down to manual mode on the LG V60, it's by far the best for me. So let me give you my conclusion. I love both of these devices. When you ask me what device I have in my pocket in 2020, it's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the LG V60. Both of these devices is king supreme. I like them both. This is my perfect phone. When it comes down to perfect devices, both of these devices is in my pocket. Look, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the win-all, be-all, the S Pen software, DeX, and I mean screen, everything in between. The Galaxy Note is my favorite phone, right? When it comes down to that, but it's missing some things, right? It don't have a headphone jack. The cameras is okay, but I like manual mode on the LG V60. The LG V60 brings in a great characteristic: the dual display, the screen, the manual mode, the quad DAC. I mean, the battery life. Oh my God! Listen. Battery life on both of these devices is king supreme, but the LG V60 battery life is a whole lot better. And both of these devices, combine them together, this is my perfect phone. When anytime somebody asks me what's your perfect phone, I say the LG V60 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus combined together. This is my perfect phone. I got stylus support on both of them. I can use stylus on both of them, and it works out great for me. And it's so crazy how both of these phones is almost evenly matched when it comes down to getting work done, right? I use DeX all the time because DeX is the win-all, be-all. DeX have, to me, made me a believer, right? If you don't know about DeX, follow my YouTube channel. I got plenty of videos about DeX. DeX make me a believer that you do not need a PC to get work done. I've proved that over and over and over again that you can get total work done on a Galaxy Note device. So when it comes down to it, these are my favorite phones. This is my win-all, be-all. I love both of these phones. I review a lot of phones. Galaxy S20s, Galaxy S20 Ultras. I mean, I got all these devices, right? Phones from 2019. I got, OnePlus devices, everything. But I always go back to these two devices. Wow. My favorite phones of 2020 is these two devices. Galaxy Note 10 Plus, LG V60. This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what your favorite phone. right? Do you carry two phones in your pocket? What is your perfect phone? Do you have a perfect phone? What is your perfect device? Let me know down in the comments below. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.